Hello students, good afternoon. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School. So today again we are going to start one new chapter. Okay, today we are going to start one new chapter and the name of that chapter is pattern. Okay, so for that all of you open your books and notebooks fast and take out your pencil, eraser and your crayons, your color pencils, whatever you are having. So take out fast because the chapter is of pattern and in this chapter we will do coloring also. So if you have color pencil or crayons or oil pastel, whatever color you are having, you can take your colors also. Fast, I will give you 2 minutes. Take out your books, your notebooks, pencil, eraser and color. Fast. Fast. So the name of the chapter is pattern. Fast, take out your books. And open your notebooks and open new page in your notebook and write fast, write chapter 9. Open page number 117, the chapter that we are going to start today. The new chapter that we are going to start today is pattern and it is given on page number 117, 117. Okay, so in your notebook write chapter 9, write chapter 9, CHAPTER, chapter. Again I am writing because it is not clear for you. So write chapter. Chapter 9 and here you write date, today's date. And what is the name of chapter? Patterns. Now after chapter 9 write patterns. Write patterns. First of all note it down this much. Chapter 9 patterns. Chapter 9 patterns. Write fast and write today's date. Chapter 9 patterns. Now what is the meaning of pattern? Have you ever listened the word patterns? A pattern is a sequence. What is a pattern? It is a sequence of shapes or numbers or alphabets or any design. Okay, so what is a shape? What is a pattern? A pattern is a sequence. किसी भी चीज को follow करना. Okay, whether it is a number or alphabet or picture. Okay, so this is known as pattern. So first we will write the definition of pattern. So start writing with me. You have written chapter 9 patterns. Chapter 9 patterns. अब now we will write that what is the meaning of pattern. Pattern होता क्या है? किसी भी picture या numbers या alphabets को एक definite order में उसको follow करना. Okay, so that will become a pattern. Now write the definition of pattern. So write a pattern is a pattern is a sequence of shapes sequence of shapes, letters or numbers that are arranged in a definite order. Definite order means in some fixed order. Okay, arranged means जमाना, किसी भी चीज को अरेंज करना मतलब सिस्टमैटिक वे में उसको जमाना. Arranged in a definite order. Arranged in a definite order. So first you write the meaning of pattern from the board. A pattern is a sequence. A pattern is a sequence of shapes, letters or numbers arranged in a definite order. Write fast. A pattern is a sequence. What is a pattern? So, a pattern is a sequence. जो भी pattern है वो एक sequence होता है जिसको अपन follow करते हैं. पहले समझते हैं कि वो pattern किस चीज का है. It is a picture pattern or letter pattern or numbers pattern. Then we understood how the following pattern are arranged, and in the same way we will follow the pattern and do the remaining pattern. Okay, so write fast. A pattern is a sequence of shapes, letters or numbers arranged in a definite order. A pattern is a sequence of shapes, letters or numbers arranged in a definite order. Very simple chapter and very interesting also. Okay, so now we are going to start the questions. So first we will write the question. So for that, if you have color pencil, I told you before also that if you have color pencil or crayons, so take out your color pencils, your crayons, because we are doing picture pattern. So for that we used to color the pictures. Okay, so write the question. Write question. Complete the following sequence by coloring. We have to complete the sequence. We have to complete the sequence by coloring. So write complete the sequence. Complete the sequence. Complete the sequence by coloring. By coloring. So this is the question. Complete the sequence by coloring. So number 1, write 8. So draw the stars. I am drawing the star of this type. So you also draw the star. How many stars you have to draw? 6. 1, 2, 3. First write W, then here, then here, then here one more. Okay, once again I am drawing. 5 and 6. In this way you also draw 6 stars. Okay? In this way you also draw 6 stars. Okay, first we will write all the question, then one by one we will do the pattern. First we will do all the question. Now write second B. Now draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, C. Draw one square and then one circle. Draw one square, then circle, then again square, then circle, then square, then circle. And at last, write D and draw one triangle, then one rectangle. Again draw one triangle, then one rectangle. Then draw one triangle and one rectangle. Okay. Now you also draw it fast. First draw all the pictures and you have to draw 6 pictures. First draw 6 stars, then draw 6 circles, then one square, one circle, one square, one circle, one square and one circle, and at last triangle, then rectangle, again triangle, then rectangle, then triangle and at last rectangle. Okay. Now see how you have to complete the sequence by coloring it. Okay. Now you have to complete the sequence by coloring it. So first, the star is colored in a orange. So, this star is colored with orange. Now, the next star is colored with a pink. Now, color the next star with pink. Now, again color the third number of stars with orange. So now you have to continue the pattern. You have to continue the sequence. You have to complete the sequence. So the first star is colored with orange, then pink, then orange, then which color will come? Orange, pink, orange, then pink. So color it with pink. So we are coloring one star with orange and pink. So next will be after pink. Which color will come? Orange. So color here with orange and last will be pink. So in this way we have completed the sequence by coloring the stars with alternate colors. First by orange, then pink, then orange, then again pink, then orange, then again pink. So you also use two colors, orange color and pink color. So first star color with orange, then second color with pink, then again orange, then pink, orange and at last pink. Okay. In the same way we have to color the circle. So the first circle is colored with a green. Then the second is colored with a blue. Okay. Then the third is again colored with a green. Now the first circle is colored with green. So second circle is colored with blue. The third circle is colored with green. So green, blue, green. So now which color will come here? Blue. Very good. by coloring the circle by the green color and blue color alternatives. First we have colored green, then blue, again green, then blue, green and blue. You also use two colors, green and blue. Now the next question is one square and one circle. So the square is colored with orange, square is colored with orange and circle is colored with blue. Circle is colored with blue. Again square is colored with orange. Okay, square with orange, circle with blue, again square with orange, then circle with blue, again square with orange, so again circle with blue. So in this sequence all the squares are colored with orange color and all the circle are colored with blue color. Now the last question, triangle and rectangle. So here triangle is colored with pink color, triangle is colored with pink color and rectangle is colored with green color. Again triangle is colored with pink color. So which color will come next? Pink, green, pink, then again green. So here rectangle will be of green color, then triangle will be of pink color and at last rectangle is again green color. So here pink, green, pink and at last green. So in this way we have completed all the shapes, all the pictures by coloring. Okay, we have completed all the picture sequence by coloring. So first we have to understood how we have to color, which color we will use, after which color will become. So after identifying we will continue the sequence, we will complete the sequence by coloring it. So fast, complete this much fast. Very simple question, only you have to identify the color and after identifying the color we have to complete the sequence by coloring it. No need to draw the picture also because picture is already drawn in the book. Only we have to complete the sequence by coloring it. So for that we have to observe which color will become next and according to that we have to fill the color. Do it fast and you can take help of your parent for drawing the pictures. If you are not able to drawing the star, you can take help of your parents to draw the stars, or if you want you can draw the simple star. Now make one triangle and then above that triangle make just opposite triangle, so it will become a shape of a star like this. If you are not able to draw in the picture of a star, you can make one triangle then one opposite triangle. In this way also you can make a star if you are not able to draw the first question star. So do it fast. So one homework question for you dear students. Take out page number 117 in your maths book. Open page number 117. Open page number 117. Open it fast. Have you opened the book? Yes. Now see the last question on that page. The last question. This question already we have done today. And the last question. So the last question will be homework for you. Clear? The last question on page number 117. The last piece of the following pattern went for a walk and got lost. What is the question? The last piece of the following pattern. The pattern that is given, the last piece of that pattern is went for a walk. वो walk पे गया था घूमने and got lost. और क्या हो गया? वो घूम गया. Can you find it? तो आपको identify करना है कि लास्ट में जो question mark बना है ना, question mark, वहाँ पे कौन सा shape आएगा और उसमें कौन सा color आएगा. Is that clear to you? So you have to identify the shape and you have to, according to that you have to color the shape also. So this will be homework for you. आपको ये जो question किया है just इसके बाद आप you have to write question number 2 and you have to do this question. Okay. So we will continue the next question in our next lecture. Till then, good day. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.